The Serbian Chef Knife, also known as a Serbian or Balkan chef's knife, is a multi-purpose kitchen knife that originates from the Balkan region of Europe. This type of knife is designed to be a heavy-duty workhorse in the kitchen, capable of handling a wide range of tasks with ease. The blade of a Serbian chef knife typically ranges in length from 7 to 12 inches and has a distinct curve towards the tip, which allows for efficient chopping, slicing, and rocking motion during cutting. The blade is typically made of high-carbon steel, which makes it durable and resistant to corrosion. The handle of a Serbian chef knife is usually made of hardwood and is designed to provide a comfortable and secure grip. Serbian chef knives are known for their versatility, with the ability to handle a wide range of kitchen tasks. They are commonly used for chopping vegetables, slicing meat, and filleting fish, as well as more delicate tasks such as mincing herbs and garlic. In addition to their functionality, Serbian chef knives are also known for their beautiful and distinctive appearance. The combination of the curved blade and the wooden handle give these knives a rustic and traditional look, which adds to their appeal in the kitchen. Overall, the Serbian chef knife is a versatile and reliable kitchen tool that is popular among both professional chefs and home cooks. Its unique design and high-quality construction make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Order now Serbian chef knife from our website AdhaKen.in.